In today's example, we'll be working a solution of a linear equation with one unknown. Okay, so we're going to be working one that has x plus 5 equals 9 and x minus 3 equals 12. So this is the long method, but it's really understanding the concept. Because we have a positive 5 here, we need to get rid of all the numbers on this side. We need x by itself. And the only way we can get rid of this positive 5 is to subtract 5 here. But since this is an equation, we need to do the same thing on the other side. So if we add on this side, we add on this side. If we subtract on this side, we subtract on this side, and of the same amount. So let's do our first step. So it's x plus 5 equals 9. That in writing is what we are putting in difference. Okay, so notice we're subtracting, so this then cancels out, leaving us on this side x equals 4. Now that's the solution that will make this statement true. And how do we do that? By back substitution. So we can do back substitution. Here we subtracted 5 to both sides. Okay, so back substitution, we write over the equation, and since x is equals to 4, we put the 4 here, and that gives us 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore 9 equals 9. Hence we can conclude that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. And that's how we solve that. Now let's go to the second one. Here we have a negative value, or minus 3. We need to get rid of this negative 3. How do we get rid of this? By adding the same amount. So we're going to write here, add 3 to both sides. So we end up with x minus 3 equals 12. Let me write that in red, what we are doing. And then these 3's cancel out, leaving us only with x equals 15. That's our solution. Let's prove it that this is true. So we do a back substitution. In back substitution, we write over the equation that we started with, and since x is equals to 15, we're going to substitute the value of 15 wherever we see an x in the equation. So it becomes 15 minus 3 equals 12. 15 less 3, that's 12, is equals to 12. So your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. We have proven both of them to be correct. So both of them are correct there. As you can see, nothing has changed. What did we do? If it's a minus that we have here, then we add 3 to both sides. We get a solution. Both sides, notice. If it's an addition, then we subtract the value that we have there on both sides with our solution. So notice, now I am not saying that you must subtract first or add first, but you need to do the operation based on the value that you want to move. So that's, and then you do your back substitution to prove it. Now this was the way you should learn it. Now okay, so you may try the ones which are online after this video and assess yourself.